Hi, and welcome to Earth Tipping Point. In this 4-minute movie, I'll be explaining about the purpose of the network and how you can use it to make some real radical changes. So, this is me, and my idea is about cleaning up the Pacific garbage patch. It's a bit complex, but let's give it a shot. As soon as I announce it, other individuals on the network will be able to see it. With their different educational backgrounds, experience, and skills, their feedback can help me understand more about my own idea and highlight areas such as budget and funding, equipment and services needed, location, risks, and much more. Unlike conventional networks where one person creates their own personal profile and starts adding to it their hobbies, friends, activities, education, interests, and likes, on Earth Tipping Point, several individuals create one profile, which is the idea profile, and add to it the needs, the location, the budget, the justification, risks, benefits, objectives, and more. And as you can see, the idea profile on this network is the main profile. Individual profiles are not as visible as the idea profile. Only the announcer, the individual that comes up with the idea, and the collaborators will be seen on the network. Other individuals that do not collaborate or do not pitch in any kind of feedback will not be visible on the network. Now, since the team is developing one idea and it might stray out of the original scope, the network was built on a hierarchical structure where the announcer of the idea can control how the idea grows by accepting suggestions or inputs from other members or rejecting it. When the feedback or input is accepted by the announcer and becomes part of the idea, the members with the accepted input will become collaborators and gain a significant amount of points. As for members with rejected input, they will lose a smaller portion of points and will remain as a member on the project team. But nobody likes dictatorship. Besides, the whole concept is about collaborating. And we are all linked to friends with different educational backgrounds through existing networks like Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. So what I can do now is select what I want to elect as an idea leader to help me accept and reject input from the idea team members. In turn, they become collaborators and share my authority. Now let's make a small recap. The announcer comes up with the idea. He elects the idea leaders to help him process input from the idea team. When an input is accepted by the idea leaders, the member with the accepted input will become a collaborator and gain more authority. In turn, the idea leader and the member will both gain points. Articles and reported environmental problems can be linked to the idea as supportive documentation or justifications. And at any point in time, the idea can be locked so that no further development is done. At this point, if any funds were raised online, the funds will be released to the beneficiary party, and it can be adopted by a company or NGO, any kind of entity, to help the team implement this idea properly. So now that we covered the basic concepts, let's take a closer look at the actual network.